CSS shapes, by themselves, simply determine how the inline content will flow around a floated shape. They only influence what is known as the float area. For example, if we take a simple circle example like this one, we will see that only the content wraps, excluding the circular shape that we created. The shape itself is not actually drawn to the page. And this can be very clearly seen if we add a background color. Now we can see where the actual element is, but why is it like this? Well, it's because shapes only control the flow of content, and in order to actually visualize the shape, we need something more. We need to use the clip path property in order to clip the reference box to the shape. Clip path is part of the CSS Masking Module and is not actually part of the shape spec, but the two go hand in hand, and we will be using both throughout this course. The clip path property uses the same shape functions and syntax that we use with the shape outside property: circle, ellipse, inset, polygon, and URL. Real quickly, for those of us without a design background and who may be unfamiliar with clipping and masking, it's simply a way to clip an area to show a specific region. In this case, our basic shape will be used to clip the orange box. So to clip our box around the shape that we've defined, we add the clip property with the exact same shape function. There. Now we can see that our updated example has a clear circle clipped based on the same shape. So this is pretty cool. Again, clip path is not actually part of the shape spec, but the two really go hand in hand. Understanding how they work together will make the rest of this course much easier to take in. So now that we know how to clip our elements to show only the desired shape, let's dig in and look at how each of the different reference box values function when using them with the shape outside property.